Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Bluetooth in Hyundai Accent. Turn the car to ACC, enable Bluetooth on your phone, and access the head unit Bluetooth menu. Choose Pair New Device, confirm the PIN shown on both screens, and accept any permission prompts for contacts and audio. If pairing fails, restart both devices and retry pairing from the head unit for a clean connection experience. Start with the Accent parked and engine on ACC or on for radio power. Open your phone Bluetooth, then choose Pair New Device on the car display. Match the numeric PIN exactly and tap Pair on your phone. Allow contact and message access for hands-free calls and caller ID. Wait for confirmation on the head unit, then test call audio and media playback to ensure the connection is stable. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car tutorials. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers are perfect for commuters and road trips because they seal tight and save messes when you grab lunch on the go. I grabbed a set, and they've been great for keeping sauces contained in the cup holder. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If pairing fails, try toggling Bluetooth off and on, then retry pairing from the head unit. Clear old device entries in the car to free pairing slots and restart your phone to reset Bluetooth stacks. Check for software updates on your phone and ask a dealer about head unit firmware updates for improved compatibility. Finally, try pairing another phone to isolate whether the issue is with the car or your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.